Hey guys, this is Steven Giuliano from Central Penn College with a construction update. Demolition began on the underground last week and lots of progress has been made. Crews are demolishing some of the existing masonry to make way for new walls and doors. The vault is quickly disappearing to make way for our new dance studio and fitness center. Over in the student lounge, the electrician is beginning to rough in new lighting. Here in the multipurpose theater area, the existing HVAC system has been completely removed to make way for a new energy-efficient model. As you have heard on campus, demolition is very loud. We apologize for the noise, but look forward to the completion of these new student spaces. To see more construction information, visit www.centralpenn.edu/construction. We'll be posting video updates weekly. With this construction update, I'm Steven Giuliano with Central Penn College.